Children, today's topic is science revision for term 2 exam. The syllabus covered here is the teeth talk and the circulatory and excretory system. First, let us talk about the teeth talk. Teeth. What are the functions of teeth in our body? They are used for chewing the food. And next, pronunciation, to speak correctly. And next, good appearance of the face. So babies are not born without the teeth. When they will get the teeth, by the age of 6 months we start getting the teeth. So in a lifetime we experience two types of teeth. One is called the temporary teeth or milk teeth, and the second one is the permanent teeth. So what is the temporary teeth? Temporary teeth are nothing but the milk teeth. Means at the age of 6 months they will come, and by the age of 6 or 7 years they will go. By the time the permanent teeth will start coming. So permanent teeth are the lifelong teeth. If you lose the teeth, we will not get the teeth again. So what are the two types of teeth that we experience in a lifetime? Temporary teeth or milk teeth that babies have, and the next one is the permanent teeth. So but the number of teeth varies from the permanent and temporary teeth. Temporary teeth are 20 in number, means milk teeth are 20 in number, and permanent teeth are 32 in number. And next, parts of a teeth. The teeth is actually divided into two parts. One is the root part and other one is the crown part. Root part we can't see because it is drilled into the gums, and crown part only we can see, that the white part that we can see. So in the enamel, in the crown part, first we see enamel. It is the hardest part of the teeth. And next, coming to the dentine, the material that is present below the enamel is the dentine. And next, pulp. Pulp is supplied with the blood vessels. So pulp supplies blood to the teeth. Next, there are four types of permanent teeth actually. What are they? Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. In total there are 32. Okay, incisors are used for cutting, canines are called the tearing teeth, premolars and molars are used for chewing and grinding. And next, oral precautions. What are the oral precautions we have to take? Actually, why we have to take the oral precautions? To get rid of the tooth decay. What is tooth decay? Spoiling of teeth because of excessive eating of sugars, excessive use of acids, or not brushing properly and not visiting the dentist properly. We get tooth decay, means the tooth gets spoiled. Okay, so what we have to take care? We have to take care by brushing our teeth daily for 2 times, visiting the dentist regularly, and eating less amount of sugars. Next chapter is circulatory system and excretory system. Before going to the circulatory and excretory systems, we will just see what is an organ system, because both these are organ systems. Organ system is nothing but a group of organs grouped together to perform a specific function. So circulatory system consists of the organs, heart, blood and blood vessels. Circulatory system function is to circulate blood, nutrients and other important materials. Heart is called the pumping machine. The muscles present in the heart pumps the blood, and blood is the liquid organ of our body. And next, blood vessels. There are 3 types of blood vessels. What are they? arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry pure blood, veins carry impure blood, and capillaries are the network of blood vessels that passes the nutrients and waste materials through the holes. Next, coming to the excretory system, the process by which the waste is passed outside the body is called excretion. What are the organs involved in the excretory system? They are a pair of kidneys that are red in color, and they are the filtering parts of the body. And next to one pair of ureters, they are the fine tubes that passes the urine that is formed in the kidneys to the urinary bladder. And next, urinary bladder, it is the muscular sac that collects the urine, and urethra through which the urine is passed out. Thank you. All the best.